friends, today I am going to explain about the beautiful birds. Peregrine falcon. This is the fastest flying bird in the world. It can cover distance up to 320 kilometers per hour. This is the national bird of UAE. Parrots. This is the longest living bird. It can live up to 100 years. Parrots are smart. Parrots can imitate sounds. Australian pelican. This bird has the longest beak. It can measure up to about 47 centimeters. Owl. This bird has the best vision and hearing at night. This bird flies low and slow. Kiwi bird. This bird has a poor vision. It hunts by smelling. Ostrich. This is the fastest running bird. It can run up to a speed of 70 kilometers per hour. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.